Read. What is this?
Cheese.
What is it?
Cheese. A copper
Topster?
doctor.
Say it again. What is it?
It's a copper doctor.
See,
Hurry.
I want read.
What is it?
A doctor.
A topster. Okay, Zeke. What is it?
A copper doctor.
Oh.
What does the copper doctor sound? And what do you say when you talk to the captain?
Because
What do you say?
because the Crawfords fight the bad guys.
Aye, sir.
No, aye, sir.
What does the pirate say?
Aye, sir.
Arr, matey.
Army. Don't do anything. Cheese.
Yeah, cheese. Can you say bye?
Bye.